Hey everybody, Max Voltage here. This morning on a whim decided to check the Discord channel for MicroCenter, and lo and behold found out that they got a shipment. So got there in time to get a ROG Strix 3060 Ti LHR. And while I was there I thought, you know what, it is time to take the leap into more Raptorium mining, so decided to get the 5950X to replace my 5600X. Have to decide what I'm going to do with that, if I'm going to sell it or build another rig or what, but definitely getting this traded out tomorrow because while I was there, forgot to get the thermal paste, and so getting that in tomorrow morning, so I'll be able to make that change tomorrow afternoon. And then also while I was there, I needed a new microphone for my wife's computer, and good old Blue Yeti is a great option. My daughter has one, loves it, and they had it on sale for $99, so decided to get that. And then along with that, decided to get her a webcam as well, so she'll be all decked out to be able to do whatever she wants to do as far as streaming and watching videos and getting on Discord and calls, that type of thing. So she'll be all set with that. So that's going to be my project for this weekend. First thing is to get the microphone and webcam installed. Next thing will be to get the graphics card installed. And then after that, it will be, and that's for tomorrow, will be the 5950X installed. I'm really excited about working with that. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for today. You guys have a good one.